I'm Anna with Tonic Studios, and this is a tip of the day brought to you by Scrapbook Expo. Making faux enamel dots with the Nuvo crystal drops is really easy. Simply press out as big a dot as you want, give it a little twirl, and then release the bottle before picking up the bottle tip from the top of the dot. That'll ensure that you have a nice round pearl-like enamel dot rather than the little pointy peaks and valleys like a cupcake. This simple tip works for just about any surface that you want to put these dots on. Be sure to check out the whole line of Nuvo crystal drops, and this tip of the day was brought to you by Scrapbook Expo.